Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamia. In today's video I will be decorating my room for Christmas. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down any video ideas that you want me to do and yeah, let's get on with the video. But right now I am drinking my iced coffee with peppermint mocha, and it's 6:33. It's not as big as I could wish for, but it's still pretty cute. I have something going on my front door. I have another command hook. So I am putting, no, I want it this way, her right there. Yes, I'm still doing things. I have things I have to, don't know yet. Yeah, but this is coming along beautiful, and I am, like I said, gonna talk to you later.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways.
In the next clip you will see is both my Christmas trees that are finished, but that is my room for today, and yeah.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. Many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. That's what Christmas is all about.
So I finished my room. Sorry, it's kind of got things on it, but I finished my room, and I have a little Christmas tree there. Did all my stuff. But that has been it of this video. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment if you decorated your room or not. And that has been it. Bye guys.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.